Okay, there's me looking at the website. There's dumbass that made the website. What do you want to know? What do you want me to do?
Go on the website.
That ain't it?
No.
I can do that same pose. Shit. That's up here?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a blog, that's not a website.
No. TatroMachine.com.
Is that what it is? Manager, dashboard.
No, that's...
Oh,
No, just type it into the search bar, TatroMachine.com.
Is that that's the search bar?
Yes.
Oh, Tatro. Enter.
Oh, look at it.
That's the old shirt logo. Where's the new shirt logo at?
It's on the new shirts.
Yeah, there it is right there. That's the new logo. How come the new logo's so small you can't see it? Alright, new shirts will be here another day or so though. Okay, what are we looking at? We're in the checkout. Why are we in checkout? I wasn't in checkout. What kind of website is this? Okay, is that the website?
Yes, this is the
Okay.
website.
Alright. Why are you so close? Big screen. There's the new shirt logo. It looks like that. Hope you like it. Some dumbass got it off center though. Didn't put the space between California and San Diego. Must be some kid that know anything about phonics or whatever they call that. English shit. Looks like crap. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, it blows up. Ooh, that's fancy. That's almost full size now. Alright. So what's this $20 for? They're going to be more than 20 bucks. I already told you that. These are beefy tees, not the old shirt. This is the old shirt price. The old shirts are over there.
Right there in a box.
Yeah, those are the summer shirts. These are the winter shirts. I think I'll reorder summer shirts again next time. These are what, 6 ounce per ounce, whatever they call a shirt, and the other ones are 5.3.
8, yeah, 6 ounce.
These are like 5.3s. I got my Harley shirt on. Almost. Mack truck, close enough. Limited quantity for personal use, not many. Alright, so you can buy shirts online, I guess? Is that what this is all about?
Yep.
Okay, good. Do we have any in stock?
Yes.
I want a tan large. Says we're at $43 already.
What'd you buy?
I don't know. It said I had a tan large.
2 items.
Oh. You mean this actually works?
Yeah.
There's oil. Where's the check cart? This is signed in for you anyway, isn't it?
No.
You sure?
It's not signed in for anyone.
Well, how's it got a cart here then? It's got a view cart. It's got shipping. Oh, I don't have any shipping. But it's got California sales tax with it. So it knows somebody's something. Let me get rid of this. Yes. This is a pain in the ass to do this. You know this, don't you? Alright, we're going to search for something now. What are we searching for? Shirt.
Shirt.
3. Is that all we got? 3?
Yeah.
What 3 do we got? We got long sleeve, and long sleeve. Short.
Short sleeve.
Oh, logo.
A short, long sleeve.
Oh, you got a short logo. That looks like long to me. Okay. So you got short sleeve. This isn't made for people who can see very well. Okay, good. You have to look at the pictures. If you got chimpanzee arms on it, that's a long sleeve. All right. So where's these shirts at? Did you grab a shirt yet?
They're over here.
Somebody said I was cluttered in there too. I don't know if I'm going to say something like that. What's a short sleeve? That's a long sleeve.
That's a long sleeve?
That's a short sleeve. Give me the orange one. We even got safety colors. This one's open. See, that's why I know. Okay, this is the old logo. We don't have that one no more. Collector's item. This has Tatro on the front. The new shirt's going to be this on both sides because some people want a front panel, some want a back panel, so we're going to make them both sides. Okay, this is the medium shirt, which are Hanes standard duty. The long sleeve are Hanes heavy duty. We have some of those left, not many. The new ones, they have a whole bunch coming. There's like 300 something shirts coming. So
I think it's 300 even.
I know, there's something with a hood on it too. I don't know what that is.
It's a hoodie.
Well, whatever. I don't know what it's going to be yet. There's a few of those coming in too, whatever they were.
Those are up on the website as well.
That's the new logo right there. How come it doesn't blow up? There you go. So we went from this ugly ass logo here there to that one. It's a little better.
Looks the same to me.
It doesn't matter. It matters to me. That's all that matters. I don't think we have any turquoise shirts coming in, do we?
Yeah.
Oh, we did?
We do.
Good. That must be for me then.
Yeah.
Hopefully they got some mediums for me.
Mediums.
Some mediums. I didn't order them in yellow though.
What about the people who want the V-neck shirts?
They got to pre-order those for the next order.
Okay.
Where's your, you should have a place in here for pre-order of junk. What do you want? I don't know what we're doing on hats. What kind of hats you guys want? We got trucker, we got, what is it, vented, non-vented, wood buckle, without buckle, or thing on the back. What else they got? Oh, they got a flat hood, a curved hood, long hood, short hood.
Flex fit?
Flex fit was another version. Yeah, I don't know. I don't wear hats. So. This is my hat right here. It's called hair.
You should get a sombrero.
Yeah, this is it. See, it doesn't come out. When it slides on the ground, it works good. Perfect. Yeah, I don't know. I don't wear hats, so we're gonna work on a hat order, but I don't know what we need. So figure it out. Let me know what you need.
You can use the contact us at the top of the page.
Alan wanted wool hats. That's all I could see.
He's not getting them.
He wanted expensive wool hats. That's what he said.
He's not getting them.
And I haven't found anybody that sells expensive wool hats yet. All I know is I don't want a $2 hat, just like I don't want $2 shirts.
If they want, they can use the contact us.
I want quality
or
stuff like this one here. This is low quality for me. It's medium weight. That's what I consider low quality. All right. So anyway, how do you make this thing work? Oil, engine, other. What's other?
Those are the Trabodynes.
There's
the other
good
is
oil.
the grease.
There's the oil. You want some oil? That's laying over there. See, there's oil. Someone's got a bag in front of it. Yeah. Well, that's other oil. This isn't on there yet. Should I put this on too?
I don't know.
Maybe. That's good stuff too. The Trabodyne's over there. It's under there. It's over there. There's a whole bunch of it over there. Something about being cluttered. I'm not sure about that. I thought this is a great sales counter right here. You can see everything you want on the counter. See?
Yeah.
Works for me. Anyway, we got oil. Quarts and gallons. Where's the apparel thing at? That's where we're looking for apparel. Well, I haven't found anybody to make stickers yet either. I don't know what's up with stickers. Somebody said they wanted stickers, but I haven't found a place to make them yet. Anybody make stickers out there? Probably get some made. I have my logo. What's this here? I want to see the $45 stuff. Where's that at? Independent branded hoodie. What the hell's that?
It's a hoodie.
Oh.
It's a sweatshirt with a hood on it.
Am I getting that? Is that what that hood thing is I bought?
Yeah.
Oh. Mario said he wanted something with a hood on it, so they sold me something with a hood on it. I don't know what it is. It's a pullover, that's all I know. They asked me if I want a pullover and zippers. I go, what do you want zippers on a shirt for? That'd be like a dress, wouldn't it?
It's a zipper. It's a zippered hoodie. It's all the rage.
Oh, yeah, great. Not my rage. All right, so how do you make this work? I don't want no hoodie. This is confusing. You only got two colors in here, black and black.
You can choose other options.
Oh, choose other option. I like gray. I like tan. I like turquoise. Those don't come up.
That's because we don't have any.
I'll give you pictures of those. No. I don't like red. Good, it doesn't come up. Black's okay if you can't get anything else. I like that one. Oh, there's a good one. How about that one? I don't wear large, though. I wear medium. So we can add it to the cart. Proceed to checkout. Add to wish list. Well, so far I haven't locked up the system, so it must be working good. Ew, what's that? It says I want to buy something. Continue as guest. Are you a guest?
No, I'm an unwanted guest.
Oh, you're unwanted. Damn. Anyway, we got a few shipping options in there for you to choose from. The post office doesn't really show us all the options that we have available. They only show priority for some reason. Overseas, we can do first class, a little bit cheaper, but not much. I just did 2 to England. Boy, they were expensive. $25 for 1 pound, 2 ounces. That's ridiculous. Anyway, the U.S. I don't know if we do if we can do first class here. It'd be like $4 or something to ship a shirt, maybe $5. Priority mail 7 something. So I use priority. But we'll figure it out. We try to ship it as cheap as we can. That's the old logo again. That's too dark. This is Walker's logo. He made it really dark.
Isn't he making a new logo?
I fixed it for him. Went to the shirt guy and said, hey, I need some shirts. And they redid the logo for me to make it look better. That helped. They were quicker too. I think they knew what they were doing. Walker does video games. He makes video games. If you need a video game made, he can probably help you on that.
Butt Dial Revenge.
Yeah, how's that coming? That's my app. I got an app. So is it done yet?
No, it's not done yet.
Oh,
I'm working on it.
You're working on it. How much can we get for an app?
I don't know. Depends on how many people get it.
Will it work on my phone?
No.
Oh, it doesn't work on my phone? Okay. Then I don't care. All right. Well, anyway, we got some junk up here. Go to Tatro machine. And you can also put NOS-Harley-parts. Did you try that yet? See if it worked?
It does.
That one right there. I misspelled Harley. Yeah, it comes right up to Netherlands. That's not me. Here's Tom. Boom. How come I'm not on here? Bill's Custom Cycle. Here's Hog City. All the good guys I know. There's Harley Hummer down here. He's a good one. I don't know this guy.
You got to put NOSHarleyparts.com.
I put in NOS dash. It took my dashes out. Jeez, what happened? Dash. I have 2 websites there. That should be me. It doesn't come up. Damn, I'm not very popular. It's a good thing you're not looking for .com, that on there anywhere. That one came up finally. Oh, it takes you to the website. Look at that.
Yeah.
At least we know the link works. I also got NOS, Harley Parts, all one word, too. All right, what else do you want to show?
That's
You
it.
some stroker pistons for your Ironhead Sportster?
We can put those up there. See if anyone wants
30
circle
over?
pistons. Look at those things.
Yeah,
Looks like a snow cone.
got them there. I also got the big bore ones. Nobody else has those in stock. Look at that. There, you need a 30 over big bore piston. 3 7/16 to go in your 96-inch Sportster. Look at that. Who else has that in stock?
Will those fit in my bike?
If you bored it way the hell out, it might. Oh, you got an Evo bike. What do you call that rubber mounted piece of crap you got? They don't call them Evos anymore.
I don't know.
No, it's Posty Evo Sportster 5-speed. It's some kind of rubber mount Evo 5-speed something Sportster.
Cool.
We don't know what that is. We'll figure it out. There's a head over there I'm supposed to work on. All right, what else can we tell you about?
That's it for the website.
The website? Do we take cash?
No.
Damn. Why not? I like cash.
If you bring it into the store, we can take it.
That'd be like store pickup?
Yes.
We take cash.
We take cash.
Green American, preferably.
Green American.
Yeah, we like green American cash.
Not that Monopoly money?
No Monopoly. Let's see, I got my authorized.net credit card thing working. Good.
Yep.
Is PayPal on there?
No.
No PayPal yet?
No pay. You want me to put PayPal?
Yeah, PayPal.
Okay.
We use PayPal on eBay, so
Okay. I'll put PayPal on there.
yeah, you gotta do that.
PayPal will be live in about 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
5 minutes.
You could go to eBay. Where's my eBay? You took my eBay away. There's my eBay. eBay selling. That wasn't selling. eBay. Look how fast this is. This is just screaming right along. It's a good computer. Is it me or is it something else? There we go. It is moving. This is really slow. Orders, positive, flea feedback. Did I mention that eBay sucks on their new way of doing stuff? Where's active? This really does suck. Active. Oh, that's why I'm on the wrong side. I'm on Tribadon USA site. I'm over here. Well, if you go to Tatro-machine, I have other stuff on there. This has got the oil on. Yeah, well, we'll figure it out. I have eBay stuff too. Okay, what else? We're done?
We're done.
Okay.